Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series on marketing management. From this lecture, we are beginning with a video lecture series on marketing management. In this video lecture series, we will discuss about basics of marketing. We'll also discuss about the core concepts associated with marketing management. We will talk about the basic pillars of marketing, that is segmentation, targeting, and positioning. And of course, finally, we will discuss the marketing mix elements, the four P's of marketing, that is product, price, place, and promotion. So, friends, this is the overall outline of this video lecture series called Marketing Management Video Lecture Series, or in short MVS. Let us begin with this module. This is our first module on Introduction to Marketing, and we will discuss in this module four important topics which are basic to marketing management. So we'll discuss about the definition of marketing, certain basic concepts associated with marketing, the firm's orientation, and finally we'll end this module with concept of holistic marketing. However, in this video, we will discuss about the definition of marketing and what is marketing. So let us begin. Now, what is marketing? Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. You must understand the basic essence of this definition, that it is all about the activity, the involvement of set of institutions and processes that is to be carried out when we go for marketing. Moreover, why it is to be done? It is to be done for creation, communication, delivery and exchange. In nutshell, these four are the four P's of marketing, the marketing mix elements. And another important word which is there in this definition is value. Value for not only customers and clients but also for the partners and society at large. We will discuss all these points in due course of time as we expand and unfold various other videos on various other topics. Now let us understand what is marketing management. Like the general definition of marketing and general definition of management, if we combine, it is the art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering, communicating the superior value. Here also those four P's are there, but it is the art and science of getting things done, of from not the employees, here it is from customers. And the target markets, fundamentally we are talking about the target markets, how to choose target markets, and after that how to acquire customers, keep them, retain them and grow the customer base so that the growth of the organization is ensured. Now, after having understood the basic definition of marketing and marketing management, let us understand what actually can be marketed. The first thing which can be marketed is called goods. We are referring to tangible goods which can be felt, which can be seen, which can be touched, which can be inventoried also. So these goods are, for example, toothpaste, cosmetics, smartphone, laptops, television set, or wristwatches, and many other products that you can add to the list of the category of goods. There is another product which can be sold is services. Banking, mobile telephony DTH, barbers and beauticians, BRTS, and of course, marketing consultancy. These are basic examples of services. The next is events. Events also can be marketed. For example, trade shows, book fair. All those who are staying in Surat, you must have observed that Surat Municipal Corporation almost every year arranges for a book fair. IPL cricket, all of you are aware, is a mega event in India and it is marketed very heavily. FIFA World Cup, and of course, the Foreign Investor Summit, Vibrant Gujarat, or some other examples are there. The next is experiences, right? A customer who get a different experience when he visits Ocean Park, or an individual gets a very amusing experience when he undergoes scuba diving or skydiving, right, or paragliding. So these are all experiences that is marketed by the appropriate agencies. Persons, even persons are also marketed. Professionals, artists, surgeons, physicians, even film celebrities and sports celebrities, they are also marketed. For example, many of the movies they highlight a star, a film celebrity who is so popular that actually the person himself or herself is capable of pulling the entire movie. Then places such as heritage sites, cities, even country as a tourism destination also is marketed, right? For example, visit Australia. South Korea is open now. These are all campaigns which you must be seeing on television. Tourist spots, national parks, even sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries. So these are all places which are marketed. Then comes properties, real estate, land and farms, shares and stocks, mutual fund, fixed deposits. All these are the list of items which are included in the category of properties and they are also marketed. Organizations, certain corporate houses, they promote their houses usually when it comes to coming out with the initial public offerings. Even NGOs and universities, you must have seen the advertisement of certain universities like say Lovely Professional University, Amity University. These are all private universities. They also promote their existence, their services, and what they have to offer to the learners. Information. Information is an important item which is marketed nowadays in this world of information era, right? For example, newspaper, news channels, books and journals, infotainment, medical diagnosis devices, and of course the industry reports. So all these products are basically they actually fall into the category of information. And then next comes ideas. We will discuss this point later on as a part of social marketing, the traffic safety campaigns, anti-social, anti-smoking campaign, Swachh Bharat Mission, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. All these campaigns are also, they form ideas. They are ideas which are promoted to the target audience to change their behavior. So friends, we have talked about these 10 categories of items which can be marketed. Now how to remember them? Just remember this acronym GO, C, 3P, 2I. If you remember Go, C, 3P, 2I, I am sure you will be able to expand each of these words and you will be able to recall all these 10 items which are marketed. So with this, we end this video session. I hope you have understood the basic definition of marketing and what can be marketed. In the next video lecture, we'll talk about the basic concepts and firm's orientation. Thank you very much.